In this video, I'm going to show you how the Auto Poster version 1.9 actually posts to your GMV, and it goes a bit further. It'll also take it and share it to Twitter and to Facebook, the post. Alright, so what you need to do before you do anything else is you need to come here to inputs and into images here, and you need to add images there which are named for this, which will be named the same as what your campaign name is going to be named. And you can also put a video there which should also be named the same, like in this case HCG Injections Johannesburg. Alright, so after you've done that, because you need that, you also need your copy obviously that you're going to be using for your post. But then you click on the Add Campaign button, and you'll see it brings up a little window with input forms. So over here you would put in your Gmail, and you would put in HCG Injections Johannesburg if that is your keyword. You'll remember my image was named the same, okay, and the campaign name is named the same, so that's how it ties everything up. So the reason why I do this is because I use my posts to actually tell Google where this GMB operates, and by gradually moving it further and further away from the GMB, I'm able to get Google to show the GMB further and further. So in other words, it's not just your standard sort of 5 miles or 8 miles. I've got it up to where it's like 40 or 50 miles already using this method. Okay, along with our GeoGenius sites, of course. Okay, and then I've got a Facebook email and password and a Twitter email and password, and then you just click Save Campaign. Okay, and if I click Save Campaign now, it'll say it already exists. So to check the campaign, you can, this is what you can see here. You can see it's got the campaign name, and that's what that's the keyword that I'm wanting to be looked for. Then I've got the Gmail, the password, the Facebook, the password, Twitter, the password. I've got a little bit of text there, and I've got a link there going to the actual GMB, the .business website. And then I've got the image name. So the image is named exactly the same as the campaign. So I could do, I could make 10 different ones, and it will just carry on over and over. Okay, but this is basically part one. We're not doing any scheduling or doing anything like that. And once you've got that all done, okay, then you're ready to go. And now all I need to do is click Run. Okay, and what we're going to see now is it's going to launch Firefox Portable. It's going to log into Google My Business, and it's going to create a post. Now the lovely thing about this is that you can create as many posts as you want and schedule them up to a month in advance, and you can use many different accounts, so you're really unlimited. But that would be a little bit further. I'm going to show you, this is just the basic account that we're doing, and we're only using an image here just because it's faster. So it'll upload an image, and the image is geotagged as well as keyword tagged. It's got everything in perfectly that you should do. This helps a lot also with ranking. If somebody puts in just that term HCG injections, the images come up as well. Okay, so it's not the best image in the world, but I think it gets the thing across. And there you can see I've put HCG injections Johannesburg. Okay, just a short little bit of text, and then I said call or WhatsApp, and I've put that in the text, and it's also in the button. Okay, so now the post will be created, and that's now live. So what the software is going to do now is it's going to share it with Facebook and Twitter. So what you're able to do is, I haven't got that linked up yet, but you're able to let your Twitter account or your Facebook account trigger an IFTT ring, and we actually sell them. You can get them on the GeoGenia site, where you can get them very cheap, which then would syndicate this out to about 100 different Web 2.0 sites. 4 or 5 rings. You can select as many as you like, but I normally use 4 or 5, which is 80 to 100, and they're all properly created personas. They're powerful Web 2.0 properties, and the beauty of it is that, you know, as you're going along, whatever niche you're in, you just use those rings. So for HCG, although I might be using many different accounts, I would only be using the one set of IFTTT rings, because they are all related to this weight loss. Okay, and now it'll come to Twitter, and it'll make a little post there. As you can see, that short link there, HTTP Google Posts, that is a link to your post. And once it's finished, it actually gives you a nice little text file, which gives you the copy that you used, and it gives you the keyword title, the keyword that you used, and it gives you the actual link to this post. So what I do then is I take that link and I add it to my Cloud Poster, my cloud files. Okay, so there it says software has done its duty. Thank you so much, software. So let's have a look in here for outputs, GMB poster files, and this is the latest one that was done here now. So here you can see the shareable link to the post. Okay, that's it there. The title or video, that's the name there, and then the text. Okay, so now if you take this here and you come to Chrome or wherever, you'll see it actually brings up the post. Okay, which is really, really powerful. So now imagine now if we still link this up to IFTTT, which I would recommend. You set it up once, and then for all of your posts that are done in this niche, you've got it. So that's about it for this video.